the create sections from CAD command will quickly create stored cross sections from an imported CAD file that has been laid out with the cross sections of a corridor. So this will allow you to apply that to an alignment and rebuild the corridor. So here I have a series of cross sections that I brought in. I've gone and defined my alignment. So you'll see here I have an alignment just of this ramp, and the key here is to make sure that your drawing's cleaned up. So you may have to go through and do some cleanup to make sure that the objects are on the proper layers, and then you can run this command. So to access the command, you actually want to go to F12 and type in cross section, and when you start to type in cross, you can see that there's a create stored cross section from CAD drawing. You're going to select and choose how they're laid out. So I have multiple on a sheet here. I have a ramp, so there's the alignment that I have, a layer that I want them to be created on, and then you can set up some properties. So here my station text is no more than 5 feet away, so it makes sure that it doesn't extend down to this one. It wants to use what you have here. The station is below the grid in this case, and then you can specify the layer. So you specify the layers that the cross section lines are on, which is this yellow line here. You specify the station text, you specify the grid lines as well as the grid text. So what it'll do, and you can see they even have the grid text over here. So once you have that set up, you just click apply, and what it's going to do is create stored cross sections. So you can see it's computing down below, and they will get applied along my alignment. So now you can see over here I've got my stored cross sections. I can close this command, and now when I look at this and I go into edit, you can see here is the stored cross section, which now I'm able to come in and modify and edit if there was a mistake or there was something wrong or there was a design change. I can simply modify the stored cross section, and then I can use this stored cross section data to build a surface, and that would create an alignment or a road surface that I can use for construction or other purposes.